6. Most nature-loving zodiac sign. Capricorn. Grounded and earthy, Capricorns respects nature's stability and mountains, finding peace and discipline in outdoor experiences. Virgo. Attuned to details, Virgo loves nature's purity and healing, appreciating gardens, greenery, and natural wellness deeply. Cancer. Nurturing Cancer feels at home near water, gardens, and natural heavens, finding emotional peace in Mother Earth. Pisces. Dreamy Pisces connects spiritually to oceans, rivers, and dreamy landscapes, finding inspiration and escape in natural beauty. Sagittarius. Adventurous Sagittarius embrace wild landscapes, loving forests, mountains, and open skies, thriving in nature's boundless freedom. Taurus. The true earth sign, Taurus feels most alive in nature, adorning gardens, forests, landscapes, and sensory outdoor pleasures.